Fishing while it's raining. It's good, eh? It's a little jack. Done well. Can't tell ya. Yeah. How big does it have to be?
38, I think.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Well, it has to be as big as that ruler.
Yeah.
That ruler's 38, is that line? I'd imagine so.
I think they are.
Mangrove Jack 35, but this is old, this ruler. Nah, not size. Cat, a really small catfish. Got the baby. Alright, we're at Plantation Creek at one of my friend's huts. And the jetty going down to the boats down there. Just been walking through the scrub, down through all along there, up there a little bit further. So far we've got 4 bags worth of aluminium cans, plastic bottles, glass bottles. So they're all 10 cents worth, with the containers for change in Australia or Queensland at the moment. So this bag's full at the moment. They're all mixed. They're all full of everything, all sorts of stuff. We'll go down and collect some more. Lovely.
Yeah, I might want to watch some green ants, eh?
Yeah, I'm right.
Yeah, righto.
I'm not worried about it too much.
Ah, good one. Good one.
At our next point, I'm tired as puffed. We've got plenty of bottles and stuff here. Look at that. More over there. They're all throughout, all through here. All the way up there a little bit more. Already collected a few. The bag's already quarter full, 2/4 full. Probably will be more tomorrow morning, maybe.
You picked it up all by yourself?
Yeah. I had a mate help him, but
Oh,
he sort of carried the bag around, filmed a little.
that's the way, get him working.
Yeah. I got a fair bit. Still more there too. This is only like probably 100 meters stretch in the scrub.
Yeah. Good cleanup.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
How many bags was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags. See the bags there.